Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find and access TikTok shop. So, first thing you have to know is there are some countries, some regions where you can actually access the TikTok shop. Why some countries like Nigeria, most especially, which is my country, wouldn't be able to access the TikTok shop or it has not been rolled in to their country. So, let's check out the countries that are available because my country can't access TikTok shop. So I'm just going to list out the countries that can actually access the TikTok shop. And if yours is not there, just know that you cannot access the TikTok shop on your TikTok. So let's see. Okay, so the first is it's available in USA, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Mexico, and Brazil. And you can also access it if you are actually trying to purchase across European, including France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Ireland, Australia, Belgium, and Netherlands with Poland. So any country aside from this, you won't be able to access the TikTok shop. Please don't take this video to be a clickbait. It's not clickbait. I'm just trying to tell you that in my country, I won't be able to find and access TikTok shop. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.